for drinks, alright, sir. If you can take your mask off so that we see your face, so that when we see you on the screen, we can identify you. Your name, sir?
I'm FIFA referee Patrick Fafada.
Okay. How long have you been refereeing?
10 years now.
Wow. Can you tell us any toughest match or game that you officiated?
That was my last Kotoko game in Accra.
The last Kotoko enhanced game. This was the referee. Yes. Assistant referee. And was there an infringement that you gave that became very contentious?
On my side, no.
But on the side of the referee, yes. Anyway, I'll come back to you. You tell us your opinion about preparation for the World Cup. Sir, your name? Okay. FIFA referee Adari Abdulatif. Okay, tell us, how long have you been refereeing? 11 years now. Any toughest game that you officiated? The last MTN FA Cup between Bechem United and Accra Sovo. Wow. And it ended in favor of Accra Sovo. Wow. How tough was that match? As a football spectator, I've always been wondering how the referees are able to run up and down over on the field, train the same way the footballers train.
Yeah, we don't train as the way the footballers train, but we also have the way we train.
Okay, so how's your training? Running? You run. All right, thank you so much for sharing this with us. And your name, sir?
Roland Adi.
FIFA referee Roland, assistant FIFA referee Roland Adi. Can you also share with us any experience, the most toughest experience you've had in your career as a FIFA referee?
That would be the just ended Wafu Under 17 tournament.
Okay.
The final.
Okay.
Yeah. Nigeria versus Burkina Faso.
Okay. Wow. He officiated the Wafu Under 17 tournament between Nigeria and Burkina Faso. Wow. How tough was that game?
It was tough in the sense that they were kids, and they were running. So there was a lot of energy in that game. Yeah. Within 20 minutes, it was like you played 1 hour. It wasn't easy. Yeah.
Okay. I'll start with you. How do you see Ghana's chances in the 4th appearance at the World Cup? Looking at the current team that we have.
Well, considering the upsets we've been having currently, even with regards to all the national teams, I think they will go out there to prove themselves. So everybody is fighting for a place on the team. So I think if you are fighting, you give all your best, all out. So we have, and we perform better and we pull out surprises when it comes to top teams. So I'm in top teams.
Yeah.
So I think they're going to pull out a surprise.
I was watching the women and the Costa Rica. Yes. And I realized that we don't give long passes. We do short pieces, from time immemorial. And when we go on this international tournament, that is our weak point. Do you think our current coach, Otto Addo, can make any difference?
Yes, I think we can make a lot of difference because looking at the player recruitment, the new players that they are recruiting, I think that will make a difference in the World Cup. There are a lot of very good players that they are recruiting. So with that, I think that we are going to make a very good surprise.
Okay, my final question to you. People are of the view or opinion that threes who handle tough matches between like Kotoko and Bechem United and Hartlepool, you must have some supernatural powers, because if you award any infringement against the opposing team and it goes against them and they don't like it, sometimes they can do you the black African magic thing and affect you. Have you experienced this before?
Yeah, as Kotoko game always comes with its way of officiating. Unlike any other game you have in our league. When it comes to House Kotoko games, as a referee you come in spiritually, mentally you have to be tough, and then physically you have to be there. The spiritual aspects, both teams, they are there. When you come there and then you are weak, then you are gone.
So when we are saying that a draw or goal, what's a draw? Referee Nakasa. I said we deep Kotoko as match. Now I'm prepared for I give the fallacy. All right, won't take too much of your time. Please, coordinated some drink. 1-1-1-1. One storm, one Puma, 1 week for them. Yes.
Don't play.
But you bring that to government.
You come here.
Bring the first. One storm, one Puma, 1 away.
No, you play. Don't run away.
No.
You play. Don't play.
Yeah. One Puma. Just one Puma. One Puma. Only one. Yes. Okay. All right. So, Bobby.
Okay. Please, where are you representing? From where?
I'm representing 3 regions in Ghana now.
So you officiate
the Bono region, the Ahafo region, and the Bono East. I stay at Wenchi, the school at UW.
So when she is in the building, what is in the building? So when she against one, we'll see who is the real winner here. 2 referees, so please. Okay, you carry on. The moment you hear the whistle, then we are good to go. I'll add the 2 at a time, please. Okay. Oh my God, you are making the time, please. Referee point me. Referee. Okay, let's go. And can you relax? Okay. Yes, right is in the building. Right, So now it's 1 against 0. This is the 3rd round, the final round so far. Referee, we are waiting for you. Okay? Beautiful! So now it's 2 against 1, 2-1. So the winner is Wenchi. Congratulations, let's give you this pass over this. Congratulations. The next referee, the winner, you can go there. Loser, the other guy should come. You're giving us another chance. The winner, you are gone, so you can take your pass. Okay, the boss. Hey, you're you are representing. Okay, so still Accra is in the building, and we still have 1 in the building. So Accra, the sister, let's see, referee, we are watching up to you. One. Yes, sir. This time around, Accra so weird, you must say. We're changing the patterns now. Okay, and we are going for the 2nd round. Okay, referee. Beautiful one. Yay! Oh my God. Nice 2-1. I'm happy, sir. Me referee was sharing this. The first round was so this time around correcting this thing. But we call now my referee. Now, brother, you be up to 8 o'clock now. Who said you want to referee? We play a cameraman red card. You see your life. Player, can you give a red card? Yes, I. We are going for the final round. Referee, we are watching. Let's come forward. Let's come forward. Let's come forward. I see. Please come for your presentation. Okay, this is my new meeting and for your presentation. Come on. Accra Mall, it is a baby, I will be okay. And with any social media platform, you on 8 p.m. You can also join us now. And check, remember, and the issue about the whole commercial break now, DJs, one more, and no more can cry about it. Now, yes, I'm for the second time around.